My name is Michelle Petroselli, CAHME's Accreditation Manager. Today, I'm going to show you how to access CAHME's Annual Report Benchmark Tool, also known as CARB. To access CARB, you'll simply go to CAHME's website, CAHME.org, and in the upper right-hand corner, under Program Logins, select CAHME Annual Report Editor, also known as CARE. CARB is housed in CARE since it utilizes CAHME's annual report data. Once you get to the login page, use your login credentials to access your annual report profile page. Once logged in the upper right-hand corner, use the drop-down menu to select CARB, benchmark your annual report data against peer groups. You have now accessed CARB. This invaluable tool aids in internal quality improvement for programs by allowing program directors to compare their program's annual report data to a customized peer group represented in quartile and mean performance. On this page, you'll select from the multiple filters, such as degree, program modes, curriculum, regions, cohorts, program accreditation status, program tracks, as well as program type. On the next step, you'll select your program data years you'll want to compare. Finally, select Compare Now to generate your report. And here is your report page. If you have any questions, contact me at mpetroselli@cahme.org.